Good morning, children. How are you all, Amma? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class, we started mathematics A. In that, sixth sum completed. Now, I am going to start the seventh. See the seventh sum. A bookseller bought 2 lakh books and he want to pack them into boxes of each containing 240 books. How many boxes will he require? How many books left over? Seventh one. So he had 2 lakh books. In that 240 he want to pack in each box. In each box he want to pack 240 books. How many boxes was required? So if you divide 240 2 lakh with number of books in one box, there will be 240 books. Number of boxes are required. Number of boxes were required to pack 2 lakh books. To pack 2 lakh books. That means 2 lakhs divided by 240. 240 divided by 2 lakh. Children, if you observe, if you see 240, 24 tens 2400, it exceeds 2000. So take 248, 8 zeros, 8 4s, 32, 8 2, 16 plus 3, 9, 1, 9. Is the nearer one? 1920, 0, 8. 9 minus 9, 0 and 1 minus 1, 0. So 8 hundreds dropped down. 2 for 24, 24 2 is 48, 25 3 is 72. So 243 is 720. Again 80 you will get dropped out 0. Again 3. 800 means 720. So 80 books left. So how many boxes was required? 833 boxes was required. 833 boxes was required. How many books was left over? How many books was left over here? The reminder, number of books left over. Number of books left over. Those are the reminder number of books. So how many boxes was required? How many boxes was required? 833 boxes was required. Okay, ma? See the next one. A factory produces 4550 biscuits in a box. A factory produces 4550 biscuits in a day. How many biscuits was produced in 325 days? Number of biscuits produced in one day. Number of biscuits produced in one day. In one day, how many biscuits was produced? 4550 biscuits was produced. So how many biscuits was produced in a number of biscuits produced in 325 days. That means 4550 into 325. What the answer you will get? Those many biscuits they will prepare per a day. So what is that number? 4550 into 325. Okay. 5 zeros 0, 5 5s 25, 5 5s 25 plus 2, 27, 5 4s 20 plus 2, 22. 2 5s 10, 2 5s 10 plus 1, 11. Again 2 4s 8 plus 1, 9. So now we are multiplying between 3 zeros 0, 3 5s 15, 3 5s 15 plus 1, 16. 3 4s 12, 12 plus 1, 13. And 0, 5, 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. 10, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 3 plus 1, 4, 1. 14,78,750 is the answer. See. This sum 18 buses can carry 936 passengers. How many passengers were 25 buses can carry? It was the division already. This sum was completed in the divisions. 18 fives 90, remainder 3 drop down 6, 18 twos 36. So how many buses was required? 52 buses was required. This sum already completed, Amma. So I am repeating once again the process. Okay, that one already completed in the previous class. Next, in 5 matches, Virat scored in 5 matches. In 5 matches, Virat scored in 5 matches, Virat scored in 5 matches. In 5 matches, Virat scored the runs 33, 82. They are asking average score. Average score. What is the score in 5 matches? 33. 82, 180 plus 66 plus 126 by 5. 5 matches now by 5. So add those numbers. Add 33, 82, 180, 66, 126. And 10, 13, 19, 19 plus 6, 25. Next, 5, 13, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 22. 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 425. 425 by 5. 5 ones, 5 eights, 20, 40, 5 fives, 25. So 85 is his average score. Average score. What is his average score? 85 is his average score. 85 is his average score. See the Mendelman's bits, down 11th one. 2091 plus 9. 2091 plus 9. 2091 plus 9. 2091 plus 9 equal to 91 plus 9. What is 91 plus 9? 100. So 2100. See the bit. 2091 plus 909. 2091 plus 909. So 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 0 plus 1, 1 plus 9, 10 again. 1 plus 9, 10 again. 2 plus 1, 3. So it's nothing but 3000. See the seat. 2,40,701 divided by 1000. Quotient equal to remainder equal to. See that. 2,40,701. 2,40,701. They are asking us to divide with 1000. To divide with 1000, we have to leave the numbers which are at ones, tens, and hundreds. Ones, tens, and hundreds again. So what left? 240 is the quotient. Remainder is 701. Next. If 30 into 35 equal to 1051, if 30 into 35 equal to 1051, 50, what is 30 into 36? What is 30 into 36? That means 35 30s, 1050 means 36 30s. That means one more 30 you have to add. That is 1050 plus 30. 1080 is the answer. Okay. See the EBIT. If 30 into 35, if 30 into 35 equal to 1050, same one. What is 31 into 35? What is 31 into 35 equal to? Children, in the before sum, if you observe what I told you, 36 30s, 35 30s we know. Now we have to find out 36 30s. That means one more 30 you have to add. That I told you. Yes, na? See here, if you observe the same rule, if you apply here, what is 30? What is 30 35s? Okay, 35 30s, 1000, 35 31s. That means one more 35 we have to add. Here one more 30, here one more 35. 1050 plus 35. What is 1050 plus 35? 1085 is the answer. Okay, ma? See the next one. EBIT. EBIT 6000 divided by 60. 6000 divided by 60. 0 0 get cancelled. 6 1 6 1 6 0 zeros. Answer is 100. See the EBIT. Into 20 equal to how much? Listen, if you children, if you multiply 24 twos, what is 24 twos, ma? 48. 0. Here 0 right now, right there. 480. Mathematics A completed. Now mathematics B. Product of 1 and any number is. Mathematics B first one. Product of 1 and any number is. If you multiply any number with 1, you will get same number. You will get same number. The number itself is the answer. The cost of 10 products they given. Find cost of 6 products. They given cost of 10 products. They are asking us to find cost of 6 objects. Cost of 10 objects was given. 6 objects they are asking. What you have to do? So if whatever the number they given x, divide that x with the 10 and then multiply with 6. Divide that x with the 10 and multiply with 6. Next. What is 3825? What is 3825? Added to itself 25 times. Added to itself 25 times. Repeatedly they added that number 25 times. Repeated addition means multiplication. See. Fourth one. If a dozen bananas, if 1 dozen bananas cost 6 rupees, 1 dozen, 6 rupees, they are asking cost of 3 bananas. Cost of 1 dozen, that means cost of 1 banana, 6 rupees divided by 1 dozen means how many units? 12 units. It's not divided with the 12. That means half rupee. Half rupee means how much? 50 paisa. Half rupee means 50 paisa. So 3 into that 50 paisa. 3 5s 50. So 350 is 150. 1 rupee 50 paisa. Answer is 1 rupee 50 paisa. So see the next one, ma. In a city, 69,300 kg of garbage produced in one day. Every day, one garbage truck can carry 55 garbage. How much? Each truck can make 10 trips in a day. How many trucks will require to clear the garbage? What is the total garbage produced in that? 69,300. Fifth one in mathematics. Each truck will carry 155 kg of garbage. So divide with 55. Once 55. Remainder 143. 55 to 140. 2s. 55 2s 110. 3 33 drop down 0. If you observe 55, 5 table 300, 5 6 are 30. So 55 sixes. 6 5 is 30. 6 5 is 30 plus 33, 330. 0. Now drop down the next 0. So answer is 1260 trucks. But each one will make, but each time, each day they will make 10 runs, 10 trips. So divide that 60 with 10. How many trucks was needed? 126 trucks. 126 trucks was needed. 126 trucks was needed. See, Mala answered 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 correctly in the test. All questions carried equal marks. Her teacher did a mistake and gave full marks. How many marks she actually should get? But the question paper is 50 marks. That question paper is given for them 50 marks. Mala answered half of it. What is half of 50? 25. But they given 20. It's wrong. But 25 is the correct one. Next, Dinku bought a book for 235 and 300 given to shopkeeper. The shopkeeper given change 55 rupees. Well, how much he given to shopkeeper? 300. But the cost of the article what he bought is 255. 10, 9, 2. 10 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 45 rupees. Okay? In that, the shopkeeper returned him 55. How much he has to get? 45, but shopkeeper given him 55. Dinku pocketed the money without counting it. Is it right money? When do you say how much you will calculate? Which is the correct one, Amma? See. How much he has to return? 45, but he returned? No, 235. So he has to get 65 rupees, but shopkeeper given 55. Shopkeeper given 55. Is it correct? No. How much he has to get? 10. So shopkeeper has to give 10 more rupees to the Dinku. Okay, children? In this one completed mathematics B. In the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.